Hey, it's Jeff with ID10T Garage. It's been a while, but I've been working, guys. Been working when I can. I've been sick on and off, so it's been sucky. But today, we're going to paint the 71 Satellite. So I've got it sanded down. I've been doing all sorts of work on this thing, electrical and otherwise, but we are about 2 weeks away from the power tour, and I need to get paint and get some test driving on this thing. So I'm going to tack cloth it. Then I'm going to come over here with my Urchem. I got a single stage flat Sublime Lime. So we're going to go somewhat Mopar colors. Got my gun set up. So about to, like I said, tack cloth this thing and get to work. So hopefully things will go well. It's a nice day today. It's going to be about 75, but it's going to be rainy. It's not going to be raining for a couple more hours, so I need to get to work. So let's do this thing. Alright guys, we're back out here the day after. Everything's been unmasked. Kind of hard to see, but paint turned out really well. You got a couple runs. Any imperfection does show when you get up close, so there is that. Yeah, there's one of the runs. Actually another run. But all these little holes and everything show, and little divots. But all in all, it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So, Urchem always seems to be nice colors and lays down really well.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the